Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. This episode we will make this fail-proof Chinese steamed fish with no steamer but with an instant pot. It is impossible to overcook it. It's so yummy and easy it'll make you dance. Guarantee tenderness. Alright, let's get into it. First we're going to half the green onions, then cut a few slices of ginger. Here's our main character, which had already been gutted. Now with a cleaver or a knife, lightly scrape the surface of the pomfret. Look at the gunk. Ew. After you've rinsed off everything, we'll add the chopped green onions and sliced gingers into the Instant Pot. And of course your fish. Fill the pot with water until it just covers the fish. Then close the lid. Press sous vide and set the temperature to 136 degrees for 30 minutes. I like this method rather than placing the fish in the plastic bag because I don't like having plastics in contact with the heat. Also, all the fishy scent will be left behind with a pot of water. While we're waiting, we're gonna make the sauce. On medium-low heat, add 2 teaspoons of oil into a skillet. Then add a tablespoon of minced garlic, roughly 3 cloves of garlic. Stir fry until it's lightly golden. Then add 3 tablespoons of soybean paste and a 1/4 cup of water. Now add 2 tablespoons of miso paste. Mix well. By the way, if you're able to find the Chinese yellow bean paste, you could use that to substitute those two as well. Add 1 tablespoon of Shao Xing wine. If you don't have that, then substitute with sake wine. Then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. If needed, add more water to thin it out. Mix well. By the way, if you want to receive notifications for all my videos, make sure you change the setting from personalized to all after you subscribed. Otherwise, you only get selective ones. Done now. Using a pair of tongs, I'm going to lightly squeeze out the excess water while relocating it onto a plate. Add the sauce and decorate it with sliced scallions. Ooh, let me try it out. So good. The happy times. Very, very good. Very good. And this is super tender, super yummy, flavorful. And the nice thing about it, it's very easy and it's healthy, so try it yourself next time. For any leftover fish that you have, don't throw it away. In the next episode, I will teach you guys how to make this healthy fish congee made with oatmeal, so stay tuned. Bye-bye!